Once you're finished with number 12 of 23 video discussing the implications of CSS reset, you're going to want to, at this point, make a complete duplicate of your project and reserve it, sort of put it away to the side, because after we're done with finishing this implementation, we're going to do something else, a different style menu. So we're going to want to make a copy, kind of like back it up somewhere. We're not going to be editing it or working off of it. We're just going to reserve it for the sort of the part two of this, which is going to allow us to have a very neutral code base, and then from there we get going with the other project. So I just happen to have this project called Project 1 without CSS, and essentially what this represents is just that. So right where we left off over here, you get I just did an update, and so I have two different files, but you'll just have one, and that's fine. So here's all I'm going to do. I'm going to make a copy of this, and here we go. We have a copy, and instead of Project 1, I named it without CSS. Maybe yours is just Project 2 folder. But I'm going to put actually, when I was doing this, I named it without CSS, so I reminded myself to do that. But for forked project, and again, I'm just doing this to sort of tuck this bad boy to the side, and then I'll just start working off of this later with this very neutral, unstylized code base, because I'm going to end up doing two different implementations. One where I have some those tiles over here that hover, a lot like the Mac dock, and then the other one I'm going to have is a particular style of menu that hides and reveals itself, very similar to what you'd find on mobile. So again, just at this point, make a complete duplicate of your project, all the files in there. You're going to sort of put it to the side. You're not going to be working off of this. You're going to continue working off of what you've been through these videos, but we're going to use this later when we have a bit of a different implementation of the menu.